Quartz is an interior-exterior mineral-based primer proprietary to all the Bernini line plasters. Tints with pigment, never paint, cleans up with soap and water, and in this case I rolled it on using a 1/4-inch nap roller because I don't need to have it build a lot of texture. Alright, so the material for today to get started is going to be Marmorino. This is the wet mix Marmorino, meaning it comes in a ready mixed pail. You open it, stir it onto the wall. And this is simply the tint base straight out of the bucket. Okay? No color added whatsoever. This is going to be our base for this finish. So, using the Pavon 844i and our spatula, we are going to load up some Marmorino. Oops, got it right on the handle. And just coat the surface. Okay, this is going to be our base. So, not a traditional finish. We need something to blend into. Meaning we're just going to coat it. We're not too worried about a whole lot of things as far as proper technique. I mean, I don't want to say proper technique, but we're not worried about getting it super smooth. We want 100% coverage. Put it back where you want it. Finish it out. So again, we're going to keep working wet into wet here to get this color blend that we're looking for. So this is part one, but we're not going to let it dry.